This 300 million-year-old aircraft still flies in our garden. This is the Dragonfly, a tiny insect that helped inspire modern helicopters and drones. Dragonflies can hover in place, fly sideways, even fly backward with stunning precision. Their wings move independently, creating extra lift, balance, and perfect stability. And their eyes, nearly 30,000 built-in lenses, giving them almost 360-degree vision. Today, engineers study dragonflies to build smarter drones, better flight control, and advanced vision systems. Helicopter, drone, smart camera. Nature built them all, inside one tiny insect. And after 300 million years, it's still undefeated.